Hey guys, just want to show you what we're watching right now.
It's a guy brushing leaves with a big leaf.
I have never seen something so funny in my entire life.
Morning, I know Hannah's already showed you the brushing leaf man, but we are going to a hot pools or water park hot pool weird thing today. Spring, I don't know. There's a blue sky, so I'm happy. We've got a bus at 9:30 tonight, so we're all checked out the hostel. We're just gonna leave our bags here and we're gonna go to the hot springs. It's a nice day for the first time in a while, so I'm happy. There's blue sky. So there's quite a high possibility we're gonna miss the bus to this spa hot pools thing. So Hannah's picked up the pace. She's like, what do you think about jogging? What do you think about jogging? And every traffic lights we get to, I feel like they stop and we can't cross the street. We picked up the pace. She's running. The running continues.
Hi. This is water.
No, it's not.
So as you probably saw before, we ran to get to the bus. Turns out the bus is in 50 minutes, so
We're just chilling.
you know, it's fine. I needed the exercise. Yeah. Hopefully we don't have any problem tonight printing off our bus ticket. That's the main thing on my mind. But you know what? If we miss our bus tonight, if that's the only thing that happens to us on the whole trip, it's not going to be that bad. So
We're on our way to the hot pools, and if you didn't know where we are, it kind of looks like New Zealand a bit with all the mountains, but it looks like we're about to go through this tunnel thing. But I think the Andes is the other side of here, and it's super snowy. It looks beautiful. Okay, well we're here in the middle of nowhere. There's quite cute shops around and things. I'm assuming we're in the right place. It's weird here, it's like a desert. There's loads of mountains, but there's heaps of cactuses and stuff.
I feel like you can't breathe.
I feel like I can.
This is quite cool though, the place.
How cute is it?
I'm excited. It is in the middle of absolutely nowhere though, like you would not want to do this on your own. There's loads of cactuses.
I feel like I've done a very great job.
You have, well done. Thanks for getting us here.
I think termus means thermos.
Me too, but right now all I want is a wee. As usual. Always need the toilet.
Yeah, I need a wee.
So we think we found it, but I just had to show you this because it looks so cool. That looks tasty. If you're vegetarian like Jack, I'm sorry.
We're at a water park.
There's like lilos and thermal hot pools, and you can rub mud on yourself, and you can't see it because of the shadow, but I'm so excited. This is going to be so good.
Legs are non-shaved.
Everything
is non-shaved. It's alright. You know what? We just don't look at each other.
I just want to show how many crocs there are. Oh, I'm so excited. No, it's just natural rocks. It's very warm. It's nice. Oh, it's all bubbly. Oh my god. This is amazing. Look how cool this is. Oh my god.
I just want to see what else is.
This is so cool. Is it boiling?
It's hot. It's fucking boiling. You gotta go in real slow.
No, that's way too hot.
No, it's okay. You'll be fine once you get in. You just gotta get in. You
Don't
hop in a hot bath. It kills when you first get in.
This is too hot.
No, you're alright. Come on. I'm getting it. I'm fine. It's fine.
Cute. Never been in like an infinity kind of spa. This one is way better. It's not as like not as hot as I'd like, but very cool. Yeah. That's what we need. Righty ho. Hola. I look like such an idiot just whacking out the camera. But we're done. It was cool. But we don't want to get the bus back at 6, so we've left and we're gonna try and catch the bus.
Short and sweet, but I think that's the way to do it because we're already wrinkly as
anything, and I'm not gonna lie, it probably wasn't the nicest of water. This dog is huge. Look at it. It's like an absolute monster. But yeah, no, it was good. I'm glad you suggested it.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna get the bus back.
Get some food.
Go back to the hostel, shower because it's not
Get
water.
ready for our 8-hour shit bus ride.
See. Hopefully it's okay crossing the border, but I'm sure I'll update you if it's not. But yeah, we'll chat when we're back at the hostel.
Update if Hannah's in prison.
No drugs, Hannah. Well, we got back and we walked all the way back. And then we're absolutely starving. We're obviously getting on a bus later, so we ended up just coming straight for food. We've come to this place called
Jonny's Good. Be good.
Jonny's Be Good and Jonny's Be Bad. Jonny's Be Very Shit, actually. I got mac and cheese, and I'm not even kidding you. So this is what it is. It was literally a bowl of plain pasta with that, you know, the cheese you take out of plastic and you put on burgers, the square cheese, just probably like maybe 5 of them on top, put in the microwave and just put a little bit of chicken round. But they also then left it on the side for maybe 20 minutes because it was just cold. Hannah's had like 4 pieces of pasta in, but obviously she ate it all because we're starving. And Jack had an alright pasta, but again it was cold, so we're trying to figure out how to say not good, basically. I'm going to say no muy bueno, and I ain't giving a tip, because it was crap. What did you think?
No comment.
So, don't go to Jonny. Don't go to Jonny Be Good. Jonny Be Bad.
Jonny Be Bad.
Jonny Be Very Bad. We'll see you when we get on the bus. I'll let you know how the border crossing goes. Right, we're all packed. I've put my waterproof coat thing on my bag so that no one can mess with it when it's in the hold. So no one can mess with it, but we're about to get a taxi, so.
Hi guys. We're on our bus. This is our bus. Look, it's not as fancy as the last place. It's a little bit slimmer, not as drawn back. Yeah, it's probably like, yeah, and it's half the time. I think we got a TV screen, but it's bent up. Yeah, so this afternoon was a bit of a, not a rush, but just a bit of a, I guess what we could call a shit show.
Those words were about to come out.
Were they? The restaurant we went to was bloody horrible, which I think we already told you about, did we? Yeah. All in all, we felt like we had a great day. Hopefully, I don't feel too bad on this flight, on this bus, because, you know, all my food poisoning stuff is under the bus, so this could be a real big problem. But we'll see how it goes. How you feeling, Amy?
I'm alright so far. That cheese is just like, you know, sitting in my stomach.
She really hasn't eaten anything today. What about you, Jack?
Amazing.
What are those socks?
They're just some socks I have in my bag.
Ugh.
So I'm just whacking them on now because all I've got is flip-flops and loose
Gross.
I don't want to put my bag fully down because I'm worried about my water bladder will leak.
Oh no. No, touch your water. Just put your water bladder somewhere else. Alright, we'll tune in later and we'll show you how the ride's going.